Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with the sixth unboxing for the channel to look at something I just picked up from my FFL. That is the Canik Mete or Meta MC9LS, LS meaning long slide. It's chambered in the 9mm bullet. Let's get into the box, but I'm gonna just lead out here and say that the pistol's great. It's awesome. So far, I like it and I recommend it. But let's see what you get in the box. I know there's people that want to see what you get in here. So I will start off by saying Canik has a really nice box and the presentation is really solid. So of course I'm gonna start off and show y'all that I bought this myself. There's nothing free here or anything like that. So in the box, I'm gonna start off from the top so y'all can see what's in there. But Canik gives you a lot of good things. You get a cleaning rod for cleaning your gun. You get a brush as well. You get a pin punch and you get 3 back straps. They're each different sizes. One is small, medium, and large, and then you get this cool little gun, which is a torque wrench basically. And inside, if you listen, it actually has some different screws in here. Let me see if I can open it up. Nice little things in there, which I think is awesome. And Canik to me wins automatically just for this. And like, I can't think of too many companies that are giving you all these freebies in the box. I mean, not say free, I guess you're paying for it, right? But that's pretty darn dope. And then you get your typical, move it up, owner's manual. This is probably one of the best manuals I've ever seen from a manufacturer. It's very well put together, and I'm glad it's physical and not a QR code. You also get a lock, I guess. This goes around the trigger of the gun to stop the gun from firing. You get 1 magazine. Well, actually you get 2, I'm sorry. The one here. And I bought me a 3rd one right here. And then you get a holster, a free holster, by the way. I'm gonna come and talk about this holster in a little bit, but let me get that out there. But that's all you get in the box. So, but as far as the gun, like I said, it's really nice. Obviously, I have it out and I've been shooting it for a little bit. And all I can say is that I'm nothing but impressed with it. I picked this up for 2 main reasons. This specific one, well, actually a couple reasons. So Canik makes 3 different versions of this, the MC9. They have the MC9, the standard MC9, the MC9L, which means long, and then the LS long slide. The main difference is that the MC9 is just a shorter barrel with less ammo capacity. The MCL has the same short barrel, but longer grip and more ammo, and this one has a longer barrel. The barrel on this is 3.6 inches. The ammo capacity is 17 rounds, so you get 17 with this. And I wanted this one because I'm just not a super fan of those micro compact pistols, those sub 3.5 inch barrel guns. I mean, I probably could have got it, but again, I've mentioned this in quite a few of my videos. I do like a little bit of weight and some heft and some size, and I don't mind this. This is actually like the perfect size to concealed carry. But like I said out the gate, man, the gun is freaking awesome. But some more of the specs, you get these slide serrations, which are pretty cool. You can, press check or make sure the gun's clear. It's probably the only thing about this gun I wouldn't be super pressed on. Like, I wish they were a little bit wider, maybe a little bit deeper, but they're rock solid. I mean, they work, so it's fine. It's optics cut, so if I wanted to, I could put an optic on here. I'm not sure if I want to, because I kind of like how it looks now. Like, it's just a clean, slick look, and I don't know if I want to put an optic on here. We'll see. If I keep shooting it and I keep liking it like I already do, I probably will. Maybe I'll put my Holocene EPS on there. But you get your standard iron sights. You can mine is orange. I'll put a picture up if it's not clear, but I painted mine. It's originally white, but I painted it orange just to make it stand out a little bit. Like, when I'm shooting it, it's very visible and easy to pick up on as well. Standard mag release, so it actually feels pretty good when you press it. It's a different feeling. It's hard to describe this, but it's not stiff, but it feels real nice when you press it. Really nice, and I like that. The grip texture on the grip is awesome too. I think they nailed that out the park right here. Also, they have I gotta laugh a little bit, but they have a extended slide stop, right, on both sides, ambidextrous. And I'm only laughing because for some reason, Canik got this right and nailed it out the park. And I'm kind of drawing a blank, but some other gun I shot recently that had the same thing, they didn't get it right, and Canik seems to get it right, because when I shoot this gun, the slide locks back every time. So don't know why, and I can't remember that company, but oh well. Rail on the bottom for a light, and again, the gun just, oh, what else? Oh, the trigger. That's what I wanted to tell you about. Let me tell you something right here. I'm not a trigger guy at all, but this trigger is phenomenal. It's probably one of the best triggers I've ever shot on a pistol out the box. So let me see if I can get that up on screen. Like I think I've explained this in the past, but that movement is just the travel. Then you hit that wall right there, and then it breaks. And let me tell you something. The reset on this is really, really, really nice. I really like the reset. I'm gonna explain that. So the reset is gonna happen when you're gonna hear. You can hear and feel an audible click, right? So if you listen, right there, that's the reset. So now the trigger's ready to fire again. It's so small, and I really like it a lot. It makes shooting this gun extremely quick. I like that. But the gun, as far as how it is to shoot, man, I've been enjoying this. As of the conclusion of this video, I will probably put 300, 400 rounds in my first trip to the range, or yeah, about 400 rounds already. Various different loads from different companies, and it eats it all up very well. Very, very accurate, very, very comfortable to shoot. And the recoil is like, it's almost non-existent. I mean, like, to me, shooting 9mm is already easy as is. And this gun, this MC9LS, makes it even easier to shoot. And I've been enjoying the crap out of it. I like it a lot. Mag reloads are easy. Again, everything about this gun is really good. The only thing, like I said before, would be the slide serrations. But I mean, so far I like it and I recommend it. I did want to talk a little bit about the holster. So I'll probably demonstrate a little bit, but in a second. But Canik gives you this holster, which, again, another freebie, sort of. But it's pretty good. It's an inside the waistband holster, so this is something that you will wear inside your pants to conceal carry, or CCW, or everyday carry. It's pretty good. It feels nice. The clips are okay. If I were to use this holster, I would probably replace them with some DCC clips, but I mean, I'm not complaining about it. But I'm gonna pause here. I did go out and about and wear this to see how it feels, so I'll pause for a second and throw in some footage for that. All right, y'all, so this is how the holster looks on my waist. It's right here. For those who don't know, I'm carrying it strong side. That's either on the right or the left. Up front is appendix, and you can carry on the back, but the holster is here. This is how it looks from the front to the side. And as you can see, I think it fits me pretty well. It's hugged up close on me. If you all want a frame of reference, I'm about I am 5'10", 180. Former athlete, so I still have that build, but this is how it fits on me. I think it conceals pretty well. Again, you all know where it's at, but if I was out and about, I don't think you could tell. And if I wanted to get this to draw, I would just clear my shirt, grab the gun, bring it forward, and then reholster. And there you go. If I want to do a little bit faster, and then reholster. But that's how the holster works. It's not the best, but it's good enough, and it's free. So what y'all think? But minus that, I mean, it's pretty good. Like, it fits right in there, and no complaints. But all in all, man, I've been really liking this gun a lot. So I'm about to go back and shoot it and come back and wrap up my initial thoughts. But what I am going to shoot is, I got some Federal. It seems some 124 grain plus P. Now, the reason I specifically got the 124 is because one thing I did hear about the Caniks was that you're supposed to run 124 grain bullets through these specifically. I don't know why that's the case, but some of the ammo I shot was 115 and it did great. So I'm not complaining, but anyways, I'm gonna get over to the range, shoot this ammo, and then I'm gonna come back and give you all my final thoughts. All right, y'all. So I'm back from my final trip to the range. As I said in the beginning and all the way through, this gun is freaking phenomenal, man. I've never been this geeked so far about a pistol, especially one chamber to 9mm, because I don't shoot 9mm in that way. But I like this gun. So far, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to continuing to shoot this gun, practice with it, and give y'all my final thoughts in the final review. But all in all, it's great. I have no complaints, like absolutely none, zero. It gets a 300 from me. But this is the Canik Mete MC9LS. Let me know what y'all think about it. Do any of y'all got this specific one or any of the Caniks? What do y'all think? What's your thoughts? But I'll catch y'all in the next. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.